Quenching Curiosity, Understanding Thirsty Work. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a refreshingly useful English phrase, thirsty work. Have you ever heard someone use this expression and wondered what it means? Well, grab a drink, and let's quench your curiosity together. Thirsty work refers to a task or activity that makes you physically thirsty, especially because it involves a lot of effort or concentration. It's often used humorously or ironically to describe a job that isn't physically demanding but still feels deserving of a refreshing pause. The phrase, thirsty work, has its roots in physical labor. Historically, tasks that were physically demanding would naturally make workers thirsty. Today, it's used more broadly for any activity that someone feels warrants a break for a drink. Let's put it into practice. Imagine you've just finished a challenging puzzle or a long session of study. You might say, "That was thirsty work. I need a glass of water." It's a playful way to acknowledge your effort and reward yourself. While thirsty work is understood in many English-speaking cultures, its use can vary. In some places, it's a light-hearted excuse for a social drink after a task, while in others, it's a straightforward comment on physical exertion. And there you have it, a drop of knowledge about the phrase, thirsty work. Whether you're breaking a sweat or just tackling a brain teaser, now you can use this phrase to express your need for a well-deserved drink. Cheers to learning, and see you in our next video.